Hello everybody, this is Jim. In this video we are going to talk about sales copy and copywriting, having a good copywriting. Okay, if you are in the internet marketing, so first of all, uh, you will make money by selling things or having more people in your mailing list or sending people to your affiliate products or affiliate things. Okay, so the, when you have traffic in your page, in your landing page, the only way to convert that traffic is to have a good sales page, to convince people that the problem they have, you are the person or your product is the only way to solve their problems. If you have like teeth pain or your teeth are hurting and you want to solve that problem and you have a dentist near to your house, you will go to this dentist no matter how, and you will go to the dentist because he's the person that will help you to give you a solution to your pain. Okay, so understanding the way people think and it's not an easy way. It's not an easy thing. Okay, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to do sales copies and having a good copywriting based on proven system that works. We don't need to reinvent the wheel. Okay, we only need to see and to use a method that works and copy and paste and do the same. Okay, because if you want to do some copywriting, first of all, it will cost you a lot of time and money. Okay, you can ask the great marketers in this world, the best one, and tell them how they pay for this copywriting and for the sales page and all these things. It costs a lot of time and money, and you need to test it and test it, and you can be okay. So in this video, I'm going to show you with this software how you can do sales copy and have a great copywriting only putting some words, and then you will, it's amazing, you will see. Okay, so uh, this software comes with a lot of other tools, but I will, in this video, we'll talk only about this tool. There's about 30 tools. I will make other videos, so stay tuned, and you can subscribe in this channel to see the other things, because if you are in the internet marketing, you will either you have already understood that internet marketing is about tools, and if you don't, you will, if you test by your own, you will soon realize that you need have great tools. Okay, so in this video, let's say here is the software. Um, I will put the link in the description. You can check it. Okay, but I will show you how it works. Okay, so first of all, let's say I try to sell trading cryptos or something product. Okay, so cryptos. Okay, so here we have to put keywords. Here the niche is trading cryptos. Okay, and here you need to do some verbs, like if you are in a health niche, you can put diet or sport or running or something. You put a verb like here profiting, person like trader, benefits. So the benefits for crypto is like having for example excellent winning trades. It's a good benefit. You invent a product, ultimate trading crypto, and failure is waste of money, for example. Results, it's making money or just making money. And headache, graphic analysis, for example. And here is your link. You can write everything, okay? And here you have the methodology. So first you will have some ideas to have headlines, intros, benefits of the products, the middle, pain, and close. Okay, so once you have put this word, you only have to click here, get affiliate ideas, and then you have ideas. Okay, here it's amazing. Okay, so first, for example, want want to making money, want to make after you can make some corrections. Okay, but you have ideas, or you can make money, for example. Okay, make make money, for example. Okay, if you put this, you will have. Okay, want to make money? You need ultimate trading crypto. Here's why. This is the headline. Okay, you have all the headlines you can choose. For example, and if you want to choose it, you have a little plus here. Just click plus. Okay, you are a trader who desperate wants to get excellent winning trades. So you need etc. Okay, stop term. You have a lot of templates. These templates are proven and have already saved millions dollar of products. Okay, so I don't need to reinvent it. Let's say I want this. Click plus. Okay, and then I will have can put this presenting ultimate trading the formula for excellent winning trading in super rapid, etc. etc. Okay, let's choose a random. Okay, here is the intro. You're feeling locked out of trading games, etc. Up, you add. Then you have all these things. Okay, choose. You can read and then you can correct. No problem. But you have about 1,000 words of sales copies. Here is the benefits. For example, you can read to get excellent winning trading. You need ultimate trading cryptos, and it's so new and different that the that to properly excellent winning. Okay, you can modify this after. Okay, pains. Okay, let's say benefits plus. Okay, and then pains. Pain. Okay, let's do the pain and close. Okay, you have a lot of, it's about 1,000 words. Okay, and then you have here the link. Okay, and then you go to the clipboard. You go here. You have your clipboard. You can remove all the things you don't need. For example, you can make your money go to. Okay, so here you have all the copy. So you can write. You can either copy all these results and put it in the Word, Microsoft Word document and modify it, or you can export it. You can read it after. I won't take all the time, but if you read it, you will feel that it's made by professional. It's a professional sales page based on templates that already have worked. Okay, you have two or three versions. Okay, they switch, so you can remove all that you don't need. For example, here you have one version and second version. Okay, this is the first version, and it stops here, the link, and then the second version. Okay, you can remove the version you don't need. Okay, and once you have done this, okay, I will let you the time. You can make pause if you want to read. Okay, but and then you can modify this if you want. Okay, okay, and then you will put if you click once you click here export, you have sales page. Okay, I won't read everything. Okay, I can make pause. This to make pause. Okay, you can read it if you want. Okay, and then you have here the order. So either you can choose it for to sell something or to uh, to use it to have more emails like in lead magnets, or to send people to an affiliate offer. Okay, and then you click here export, and then you will have the HTML file here. Okay, so you can modify it, or you can just copy this. Okay, and put it in the Word document. Okay, the advice I can give to you is to put some images. Okay, so this is the text, and you can put some images, and at the end of your sales page you can put like 2 or 3 testimonials, and it will work, and it will convert. And you can use this if you have for example a sales page. You can try this page and do an A/B testing, and you will see that it's this sales page converts. Okay, so here, okay, you can like insert an image here or something, you know, but you have already have the text. It's about let's say how many words we have. Here we have instruction. We have 1114 words. Okay, so this is the first way you can use to generate sales and conversions, and you can use it by selling your services, because people are willing to pay a lot of money to make sales, to have a great copywriting. It's a professional copywriting system methods. Okay, proven and already work. If you go, for example, in Fiverr, you can sell your services here in Fiverr. Let's say let's check. If I do, okay, I won't connect. I don't copy writing here, for example. Writing. Let's click search. Search. So I'm sorry for my English. I'm French. I try to do my best to speaking it here. There, look here. Okay, how people charge for this kind of copywriting. I deliver professional copywriting CEO. I will be CEO website content, etc. Okay, I deliver a copywriting that converts. Okay, $69, starting at 69, because people know that it's very important. You know, so you can charge a lot of money only by uh, offering your service, and you can either use it for yourself to sell your own products, or to send people to your own affiliate products. Okay, so I will leave the description uh, in the I will the link in the description. You can give me your feelings in the comment section. It will help me a lot. And subscribe to have the new, because I will do other videos more interesting. I will talk about other tools that you have all here, and it's very, just go and see, and you will see by yourself that it's amazing. Okay, I have this software. It's cloud based, and I don't regret it. Okay, so just check it, and you will see by yourself. So I'll tell you goodbye. I have finished. I have said all I need, and I'm saying goodbye to you.